This is a New York State testing sampler question from sampler number 2. It is question number 9, linear equations and slope. It's for math 8. It asks you to write an equation that's not linear. This is a part 2 question. And then it says use your equation to explain. So for part 1, we simply need to write something that is not of the form y equals mx plus b. So I would say y equals x squared. It has an exponent greater than 1, so it is not linear. I'm going to go simple here. You might have a different function. Maybe you did y equals x squared plus 1, or maybe you did y equals x cubed. These are all okay. For my purposes, I'll use this as my example. Now to explain, I need to show something. So why is it not linear? I could say this is not linear because it has an exponent greater than 1, because its exponent is greater than 1. You could also go an extra step and you could say, well, I'm going to make a table of values and I'm going to plug in a few things and I'll plot it on my little graph and show. So let's say we have x of 0, 1, 2, and 3. If x is 0, y is 0 squared, or 0. If x is 1, y is 1 squared, or 1 times 1, or 1. If x is 2, y is 2 squared, which is 4. And if x is 3, y is 3 squared, which is 9. So you could plot that out on a little graph with your finger, because this is computer-based testing after all, and you would say your x and y would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, and then 4, and then 3, and then 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we can tell that that is not a line. It does not go up at a constant rate of change. So that would also be a proof. This is a simpler approach, is just to remember that its exponent is greater than 1. You could also say not equal to 1.